Hello everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to autofill dates in Google Docs, or rather in Excel. To do this, select the cell you need, right? Let's say I enter today's date in a cell, okay? Now, to extend it, you need to make sure Excel recognizes this as a date. Usually it automatically understands that this is a date, right? There. But here you can also enable filters. Ah, there we go. You can also add these features that you'll probably never need. To autofill dates, just grab this blue handle and drag it in the direction you need. See? And that's how dates will automatically fill in for you. That's all there is to it. Hit like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.